Go.
Hi guys, my name's Castile, I'm 4 years old. I've got one hat on and some glasses. Making meatballs. First thing you need to do is turn the oven on to 230 degrees. There, yeah.
Yep. And then the other bit round to the oven. Good boy.
There we go.
And then what else do you do?
And then you need a tray and some greaseproof paper.
Okay.
So first thing you need to do is...
Now tell everybody what ingredients you've got.
Well, you've got some bread, not too cube, and some tomato puree, some garlic, salt and pepper, mixed herbs, an egg, and 500 grams of minced beef. First, you need to do the bread.
Okay.
Make it all into little pieces. You need to make it quite small. And then you use that blender there. You've got to be careful of this.
Why is that?
Because it's quite sharp.
That's right.
Right, they're all in little pieces. Now I'm going to blend it. It's going to be quite noisy though. Is that okay, guys? Oh, there's a bit of bread. I missed. See? Yep. That's perfect.
Okay. So,
You need a bowl now.
yeah. Okay, go.
First, you need to take the blade out. Nanny forgot the bowl.
So you got one now, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
There we go. That's tiny. Oh, I'll just break that. Okay.
Okay.
Right.
You need that still, so put the blade back in it. That's it. So now what are you going to put in there?
You need to put some tomato puree.
Yeah, nice, good squirt, don't you? Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Into the bowl.
Yeah.
Right. Tomato sauce isn't the right thing, but we just used it yesterday, didn't we?
Yeah, because we didn't have tomato puree, did we?
That's enough.
So, yeah, really nice squeeze, yeah? Cool.
That was a good one, wasn't it?
Okay, I'll show them how much is in there. About a tablespoonful, yeah.
Yeah. Next, you need some of these.
What's that?
That is
Garlic, isn't it?
garlic, yeah.
Granules, yeah.
You just pour it into your hand because it doesn't have a lid. How much? Yeah.
That's perfect. About half a teaspoon.
That is, isn't it?
Yeah.
Just
And why do you pour it into your hand?
because you might put too much in.
That's right, yeah.
Now you need some of this.
What's that?
That is salt.
Yeah. That's enough, darling.
Yeah, I think that's it.
And what's this?
This is mixed herbs.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Wait. Let's see how much you got there. Yeah, so have about a teaspoonful.
Yeah.
And that goes into there as well, yeah? All goes into the bowl, doesn't it?
Yeah. Because if you don't have a bowl, you'll just have to put it on the table.
That wouldn't be any good, would it?
No.
No.
You'll have to clean up all that mess.
Yeah. Pepper?
Yep. Oh yeah, pepper. I thought you meant a real pepper.
That'll do. And now what are you putting in?
Now you need to put this in.
And what do you do with the egg?
You crack it
Where?
on the table or on here.
Yeah, and you do it into the bowl. Why?
Because you might make it messy.
No.
Or you might get some shell.
That's right. So if it's in the bowl, if you crack it into the bowl, then it doesn't matter if there's a bit of shell in it.
No.
So you can get it out before it goes into the mix. Okay? Into this.
Oh, yeah.
Right, stop.
Couldn't.
Never mind. It's fine.
Funny.
It's fine. It's fine. But you need to remember it goes into the little bowl first, always, doesn't it? And then wipe your hands with a cloth. Don't want egg on everything, do we?
No.
No. Okay.
You videoing?
Yeah. Okay. Good boy. All right, shall I take that out of the way? Right, so now, what do you do now?
Beef.
And you put some into the mixer, into your blender, don't you?
Yeah.
Nice, good couple of handfuls into the blender. And do you know why we do that?
Because it's all together, isn't it?
Yeah, so it helps. That's enough. That'll do. That'll do. That'll do. Okay, so you blend that up. Okay. Bit more.
Bit more. Yeah.
See? That should do nicely. Once it starts going into a ball in there, that's the perfect time to stop it. Okay?
Yeah, start to go into the ball, isn't it?
Yeah. And the reason that we blend it in half of it in the blender is so that the meatballs stick together really well.
Yeah.
If you didn't, they would be too loose with just using the normal minced beef and they wouldn't stick together.
And then you put that in there.
That's right.
And then you need an oxo cube.
Yeah. Yeah. Good boy.
Oh.
Okay, so last thing is what?
You need to put an oxo cube in.
That's it. What are you doing? What are you doing now?
An oxo cube?
Yeah, but what are you doing to the oxo cube?
Squeezing it so it can come out properly.
That's right. All in there? Good boy. Lovely. Okay, so now what are you going to do?
Well, you need
This is the bit you like the best, isn't it?
Yeah, you need to squidge it all up.
Yeah.
Ah. Oh.
Let's have a look at it and see what it looks like. So you've got all the breadcrumbs mixed in, all the egg and everything really, really well mixed in,
Yeah,
haven't
I can't
you?
wait to eat it.
Okay, so now what are you going to do?
Well, now we're going to roll them out.
And what do you have to do when you roll them out?
Be really careful.
Yeah.
And you need to make them the right size.
Yeah, and you make them all the same size, don't you?
Sort of.
Yeah, you try to, because what happens if you don't make them the same size?
The little ones, they won't cook at the same time.
That's right. So you try and make them the same size so they all cook at the same time, yeah?
That is about just the perfect size. You see that, guys?
Is perfect. Yep. Okay. Okay,
So
go.
we've rolled them all out, and look how amazing they look.
They do look really good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And now we put them in the oven for 10 minutes.
So,
He is taking the meatballs out of the oven. You need to get an adult to take them out
what's that?
because you might get burnt.
Okay.
Look at those.
They look amazing, don't they?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wow.
Right, so I'm going to put them up here to cool. When you're ready to use them, you put them in some bolognese sauce mix and just reheat them in the bolognese sauce mix with some of your pasta. You can have fresh pasta or packet pasta, and your dinner is ready. So what are you doing, Castiel?
Trying the meatball.
Oh my God, you put that whole thing in your mouth? Oh my goodness.
These are the best meatballs we have ever made. Bye bye guys. I hope you have a lovely day. Enjoy our video of us making our video. meatballs.
Super, okay. Bye.